Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: an active SBI account, the mobile number registered with the bank, and your debit card with PIN. Once these are ready, open SBI Yono or SBI Co. in and choose New User Registration. You will enter your CIF or account number, then the ATM/debit card details when prompted. Make sure to use the registered mobile to receive OTPs. This step verifies you and triggers the online banking setup process. Once done with OTP, proceed to create your login credentials. Pick a username and a strong password. You will also set a transaction password or TPIN used for transfers. This is different from login and must be kept secret. If using the app, create a 6 to 8-digit MPIN for faster auth. Make sure passwords include letters, digits, and symbols. This lowers the risk of compromise. After entering details, confirm and submit to register your profile with SBI Net Banking. You finish by logging in with your new credentials and immediately changing the initial password to one you remember. Next, set up beneficiaries and enable SMS/email alerts, then test by making a small transfer to confirm transaction password works. If something goes wrong, say OTP doesn't arrive or registration stalls, first retry after checking Network and SMS Center. If still failing, call SBI Customer Care or visit your branch to re-register mobile or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.